Gandhiji believed that truth is the highest principle. He said, truth is God, truth is the soul of the universe. For him, living honestly in thought, word and action was the path to personal and social transformation. Truth was not just a concept, but a guiding force in all his actions. Equally important was ahimsa or non-violence. Gandhiji considered non-violence not merely as a strategy, but as a way of life. He believed that violence only breeds destruction, whereas non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind. Through ahimsa, he taught us to oppose injustice without causing harm to others. To put these ideas into practice, Gandhiji developed Satyagraha, which means holding firmly to truth. Satyagraha is a method of peaceful resistance. Instead of fighting with weapons, people could appeal to the conscience of the oppressor. Movements like the Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement in India are examples of how Satyagraha brought real change without violence. In summary, Gandhiji thought on Satyagraha, ahimsa and satya are deeply connected. Truth is the foundation, non-violence ensures ethical actions, and Satyagraha is the practical way to fight injustice. Together, these principles guide us not only in politics but also in our personal lives. Let us all remember Gandhiji's teachings and apply them in our life, speaking the truth, acting with compassion, and standing up for justice peacefully. Today, we are gathered here to also celebrate the birth anniversary of late Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, our second Prime Minister, who was born on 2nd October 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. Shastri Ji was a man of honesty, simplicity, and great leadership. He is best remembered for his slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which highlighted the importance of both soldiers and farmers in building a strong nation. He believed that a country can only progress when every citizen works with dedication and integrity. Shastri Ji led India with courage during difficult times, including the Indo-Pak War of 1965. He also emphasized hard work, truthfulness, and selfless service. His life teaches us that leadership is not about power or position, but about serving the people with humility. He also inspired the youth by saying, simplicity, honesty, and determination are the keys to success. His values encourage us to work hard, stay disciplined, and contribute positively to our country and society. On this day, let us remember Lal Bahadur Shastri not just as a leader, but as a role model. Let us pledge to follow his principles of honesty, integrity, and dedication in our own lives. Thank you. Jai Hind.